Hi, it's Fies Tarot. Hello, all signs. So, messages, energy check-ins, prediction, gabay, kung anong merong makita natin. Go. Okay. So, no filter. O, diba? No sugar coating. Oo. So, again, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. And yes, kung may tanong pagdating sa private reading, just message me sa akin pong FB page for more info. Ganun rin pagdating kay Perception of Light. Okay? And syempre, kung naghahanap kayo ng healer, so kay Kuya Dingsi naman po tayo magme-message. Kanya pong FB page itong Kuya Dingsi. Okay? So, yeah. And sa mga interested pagdating sa ating mga items, meron tayong protection from evil eye, meron tayong ring, bracelet, necklace, okay? So, meron din tayong love bracelet dito, okay? For singles, may mga kakonek and magandang mga connection na. So, meron pa rin something na pwedeng ibigay dyan, no? And yung ating grantor necklace. So, si grantor nandito. Ano ba yan? Na tabunan na siya. Okay. So, si grantor, ganyan. Okay. So, non-tarnish, hypoallergenic. And, this is unisex po, ha? Si grantor necklace. Okay. Unisex. And, yung ating pang cord cut. So, ito yung ating pang cord cut. So, yan. So, kung may mga tanong, message na lang po, no? Para doon na lang kami sasagot. Okay? So, be careful sa mga gumagaya ng ating page dahil ang dami nila. Okay? Hindi kami nag-friend request. Ha? No. Hindi kami, pag kami nakita mong nag-friend request, hindi kami yon. Number 1, hindi kami nag-friend request. Number 2, hindi kami kami mismo yung magsasabi sa'yo na ganto, ganyan, hanggat hindi ka nagme-message. Okay? Sa dami ba naman ninyo? Hindi na namin masasingit, no? Na mag-message kami sa inyo kahit hindi nyo kami mine-message. Ha? Hindi kami yon. Be careful. And syempre, malalaman nyo lang na legit yung page. Tingnan nyo sa followers. Okay? Tingnan nyo sa followers. Nasa 50 na ata tayo, 50k. Thank you, oo, sa mga nagpa-follow and magpa-follow pa. Okay? So, yun po ha. Mga paalala ko lang. Oo, kasi sa daming gumagaya talaga ng page natin. Ha? Maging aware. Vigilant, no? Okay, so let's start the reading na. Air signs, Gemini, Libra, and Aqua. Kukuha ulit ako ng tatlong cards dito sa ating oracle kay Keeper. So, hi, this is Keeper. So, 3 cards for air signs. Anong meron? This is for the next 48 hours. Okay, the next 48 for air signs. 1, 2, oops, may reverse. So, kukunin ko yun as reverse, no? So, dito muna. Let's see. Mature woman. Distant horizon. Specific, may mga uuwing nanay, tatay mo. Pero, specific, nanay mo. Pwedeng dadalawin ka, bibisitahin ka, or pwedeng may uuwi. Or someone na talagang mature, or matanda na. Ayan. Okay, pwedeng bibisita, parang ganyan. Thoughts. Or pwedeng vice versa, ikaw itong dadalaw, no? Sa parents mo, mga ganyang bagay ba? Okay, so ating tingnan. Ano ba itong mature woman? Okay. Let's shuffle. Air signs. Gemini, Libra, and Aqua. What's with this mature woman? Mature woman. What's with this? Meron ditong takot mawalay sa magulang. Hindi ko alam bakit. Meron ako nakuhang ganon. Somebody's overthinking about sa isang nanay, or pwedeng yung nanay mo is nag-overthink sa'yo. What's with this mature woman? The Lovers. Yeah, trying to maybe makita ka. Okay? Meron dadalaw. Meron bibisita. Somebody is concerned then about your status, no? Pagdating sa relationship. Mga ganyan. What's with these Lovers? Yeah. May mga tanong. May mga tanong. Yung parents mo, maybe someone, mature woman, mature man, about sa isang connection. Okay? Diba sa inyo, pwedeng ikaw itong mag-open up or heart-to-heart talk with your mother or with your father. Okay? So, there. May magsasabi or, yes, na magsasabi ng secrets pagdating dyan. Parang ganyan. So, what's with this distant horizon in reversed? Distant horizon in reversed. The Nine of Pentacles. May uuwi. Opo. Galing ibang lugar. Galing ibang bansa. May pwedeng makauwi. Ano tong Nine of Pentacles in reversed? Yeah, the world in reverse. O, diba? Distant horizon like the world in reversed. May uuwi. May magagrant. May narinig ako, magagrant daw. Pagdating sa pera, kung ano man yun, I don't know. Pwedeng may na-pending. Okay? May uuwi, may mga magkakasama-sama. So, ano tong thoughts? What's with this? Thoughts. Laging lang, no? Oo, air sign na air sign ng datingan. No? Ano yan? Na Page of Wands. Somebody's thinking of you. Pwedeng younger fire sign. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. They're into you. They want to talk. They want to communicate. Okay? May chance na pwedeng merong mag-reach out or somebody will get your attention the next 48 hours. Okay? The next 48. Yeah. Ten of Swords in reversed. The Three of, yes. Meron ditong energy na hindi na nila kayang maghintay pa. So, somebody will reach out. Specifically, a fire sign and an air sign. Pwedeng magkakausap kayo. I don't know kung anong magiging laman ng usapan. Pero in general, somebody will reach you out. Okay, yeah, in the next 48. So, there. Yun ang akin nakikita for you. Okay, air sign. So, madaling reading lang mga specific kasi. Okay, so there. So, next is fire signs. Okay. Fire signs for the next for the next 48 hours. Anong meron? Anong mensahe para sa'yo? Fire signs. For the next 48 hours. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Kuha kong tatlo. Okay. So, anong meron? Great fortune. For the next 48. 48 hours. Community. So, maybe people or your environment or community you're in, makikita nila yung sabihin natin, uy, may something na maganda sa mga fire signs. Okay? May iba sa inyo, legit. Legit, no? Mayroong kung ikaw ito real talk lang, kung ikaw itong parang madalas tumataya-taya, oo, mga ganyang bagay ba? Sa loto, sa kung ano man, may chance ng panalo dito, ha? Okay? Mamaya magbibigay akong ng number, o, diba? May number dito. Occupation. Hoy! Okay, so, iba sa inyo, may chance na sabihin nating increase. No? Sana for the next, in the next 48 hours, may bigay na maganda pagdating sa kaperahan. There's this, sabihin nating biglaan na bigay. Okay? Biglaang bigay ng pera or something. Talking about great fortune. Okay? For the next 48. Claim it. So, I'm seeing, yeah, for 26, 39, 34. Kayo na bahala sa tatlo. Okay? So, oh, 'di ba? Ano tong great fortune? Great fortune. Oops. Ay, okay, the devil. So, something pwedeng yung mga tinataya-tayaan nyo. Yes! 'Di ba? Yeah. It's like sabihin nating madaling nakitang pera, madaling nakuhang pera. Parang ganyan. Na madali lang din mauubos. So, gamitin nyo ng maganda. Ha? Gamitin nyo ng maganda. Yeah, the Knight of Wands in reverse. Ito yung parang, ay, bigla kang tumama lang sa kung ano mang mga pinagtatatayaan mo. Ito yun, ha? The Knight of Wands in reverse. Yung hindi naman napaka-consistent mong ginagawa. It's not talking about work, eh. Okay? This is gamble. Yeah. No sugar coating here. Yeah. So, ano tong community? What's with this community? Somebody, if you have this connection with a Capricorn or a Sagittarius, they see you as their ATM machine. Ha? Lalo na kung alam mong ikaw is may pera. Ha? Okay. What's with this community? Anong meron pagdating sa community, sa environment? May mga nasisiyahan sa inyo, may mga naiinggit actually. Yeah, the Chariot in reverse. May mga taong kunyari gustong nakikita kang okay kayo pero sa totoo lang hindi. Meron ako nakikitang energy ng patungkol sa sasakyan or sa kung saan meron kayo, like bahay nyo. Anong meron dito? Yeah, the Ace of Swords. Some of you pwedeng, ito ha, hindi ko nakikita for the next 48. So, iba sa inyo, siguro, for the next 48, makikita ng iba na meron kayong bibilihing something na bago. Ha? Bago, I don't know if this is talking about vehicle or, yes, this is like a big purchase. Okay? This is nice. This is new. Iba sa inyo, pwedeng lilipat ng ibang lugar. So, hindi pa ganun ka-comfortable yung environment. Sabihin natin, hindi pa ako masyadong masanay dito, parang ganyan. Pero alam mo, may mga tao talaga na pinagchichismisan kayo, mga fire sign. Oo, pinagchichismisan kayo, lalo na pagdating sa love life mo. Parang may ganun. Or sabihin natin pagdating sa family mo. Okay? Meron silang gustong malaman eh. Ini-stalk kayo. Parang, I don't know. Yeah. Ooh, the Page of Cups in reverse. Anyway. So, what's with this occupation for you fire signs? Anong meron sa occupation for the next 48? What's with this occupation? Okay, the Eight of Swords in reverse. Less stress. So, siguro hindi masyadong, sa bagay, weekends ngayon, no? Eight of Swords in reverse. Yeah, and the Four of Cups. This is taking a break. Okay, so, sa tingin ko, iba sa inyo, may chance na magpapaspa, mga ganun. No? Sandali lang po, ha? So, yeah. Okay. Ano ba ito? Okay. So, there. So, parang energy ng self-care, pampering, okay? Kasi, syempre, babalik na naman ng Monday. You have to recharge. You need to recharge. Okay. So, yeah. Next is water signs. Okay. Water signs. Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. What's for you in the next 48? Okay, in the next 48 hours. So, anong meron sa mga water signs? So, I'll get 3. Water signs, please. Water signs. Okay. 1, 2, and 3. Okay, at the bottom of the deck is unexpected income. So, let's see. Poverty. So, diba, ang ganda. May parating na help. So, ito yung nasa ilalim. Unexpected income. There's like this, yeah, in general, help is coming. Courtship. Toil and labor. Iba sa inyong na nasa relationship. Meron ditong parang nakukulangan na kasi ang nakukuha ko dito sobrang sabihin kong focus or wala nang time dahil sobrang trabaho, sa sobrang busy. Meron ditong parang naaawa na siya sa sarili niya kasi parang wala daw siyang kakonect. Iba naman dito kung may nangyaring separation, no? They need you, they miss you. Andun yung energy na parang nasanay siya na nandyan ka or vice versa. Okay. So, what's with this poverty? What's with this? Some of you, you're in a connection na parang one-sided. Kaya, sobrang nakakapagod. Nakaka-drain. Parang walang katapusan. It's like a cycle. What's with this poverty? The sun, yeah. See? May magbibigay ng tulong. Kung ano man, okay? In general, if you're sad, if you're in need, mayroong paparating na maganda. Like, daraanan mo lang to. Okay? Itong phase na to na nakakalungkot. Meron akong mga kailangan. Darating at darating. The sun is here. Good news for some of you. Okay? And syempre, depende yan sa'yo. No? Kung gusto mong malugmok na lang, then malulugmok ka na nga lang. No? Don't you worry. Don't you worry. Ito yung naririnig ko dito. Don't worry. May parating na help in general para sa'yo. Whether this is financial, emotional, kung ano mang help. Okay? The Three of Cups. Meron kang mga mababait na kaibigan. Alam nila. Alam nila dama ka. Parang dama ka nila. Okay? If you're expecting, no? Ito, sabihin ko, kung hindi man sa next 48 hours, meron ditong makikipag-reconcile. Kasi hindi nila kaya yung situation. Pwedeng Leo, pwedeng air sign, pwedeng earth sign. Some of you, makaka-move on ka, or magiging okay ka nang ikaw lang. Somebody needs to hear that. Okay? Somebody. So, what's with this courtship? What's with this courtship? Courtship. Oh, a short-term connection coming in for some of you. Somebody, may chance dito na parang gustong umenter, no? Sa isang connection, sabihin kong hindi ko naman nakikita talaga na magiging okay. Yeah, the Queen of Pentacles is here in reverse. The Star in reverse. Somebody, kung iba sa inyo at alam mo kung ikaw, water sign, is hindi pa totally healed. Gumagawa ka lang ng isang connection na parang winawasak mo na ngayon pa lang. Kung gusto mong umenter dito, sa connection na to, may gusto kong simulang connection, winawasak mo na. Pinaplano mo pa lang. Yeah. Bakit? You're not healed, some of you. Alam mo sa sarili mo yun. Kung hindi ka healed, huwag kang i-enter sa isang bagong connection. Maawa ka sa sarili mo. Okay? See? May paparating eh. Page. Knight. Don't settle. Don't settle. Kung ikaw sa sarili mo, sa tingin mo, heartbroken ka, at ibang connection lang ang makakapagbigay sa'yo ng kasiyahan ngayon, well, ang pangit ng option mo. No? Sasabihin ko yun sa'yo, ang pangit ng option mo. Napaka-immature. I'm sorry. Pero yeah, makakatulong yun sa kasiyahan mo eh. No? Anyway, decision mo yun. Pero if you're looking for someone talaga, then don't expect na magiging okay ito. Okay? There. So, next. What's with this toil and labor? Toil and labor. Nakakuha ko ng energy dito na mayroong galit. Oo. Revenge. What's with this? Toil and labor. The Knight of Cups. And the Two of Cups in reverse. Hindi na ganoon na parang pagdating sa workplace, hindi na ganoon katindi yung parang kagustuhan mo na mag-work pa. So, it's like fluctuating. Some of you may chance ng nag-iisip na ng bago pagdating sa career, pagdating sa business maybe, or pagdating sa work. Okay? May mga gusto ng baguhin. Some of you may chance na, okay, magre-resign na ako. I can't do it anymore. Like that. See? The King of Swords. I can't do it anymore. For the next 48, I guess. Yung parang hindi mo na nararamdaman yung importansya ng trabaho o yung kagustuhan mong magtrabaho. Some of you, you're working on autopilot. Autopilot. Gigising ka, babiyahe ka papuntang trabaho, mag-work. Magta-time out, babiyahe pa uwi, tutulog. Like that. There's no life. Parang robot. Okay? Mayroon na napapabayaan connection or relationship dahil doon. Napaka-toxic na ng work. See? The Hermit. Pagdating sa health, pwedeng napapabayaan na rin. Some of you may chance na magpapa-check up kasi hindi na nga maganda yung nangyayari. Hindi nakakaramdam na ng weakness. Okay, weaknesses pagdating sa health or yeah. Okay. I'm getting this yearly ang tawag diyan, check up pagdating sa ang tawag doon sa company. Yeah. Anyway. So there, yun ang aking nakikita for you. So, water, earth, Sagittarius, air, Leo. Okay. So, 37, 38, and 4. Mga numbers. Okay. So, next. Earth signs. Okay, earth signs. What's for you in the next 48? The next 48 hours. For earth signs. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Anong meron for you, earth signs? Let's get 3. 1, 2, and 3. Okay. So, at the bottom of the deck is Coffin. This is talking about ending. Okay. Putting the final nail sa coffin, like that. It's like closing of chapters. Parang ganyan. This is not talking about literal na coffin, no? Okay. Let's see. Toil and labor. So may mga babaguhin pagdating sa career, sa workplace, sa sabihin nating cycles. Ending of a cycle maybe. Okay? Para may mabago pagdating sa energy and sa frequency mo. Mature woman. Yeah. Talking about upgrading. Okay? Maturing. Main male. So we have here 38, 6, and 1. 19. Some of you may darating na, ito pagdating sa workplace, somebody na important person like VIPs, okay, owners. I'm hearing audit for the next 48. Pagdating sa workplace, business na meron, may mga audit. Okay? So, let's see what's with this toil and labor. Toil and labor for earth signs. What's with this? The 9 of Cups. What's with that? The Fool. Parang ito na lang yung last option, kaya hindi makagawang, hindi maalsan. It's like, dito ako comfortable, dito ako. Parang nandyan kayo sa safe zone, sa comfort zone ninyo, earth signs. Dito lang ako sa comfort zone ko. Ayoko lumabas. Ayoko mag-discover. Ayoko matuto na okay na ako dito. Temperance in reverse, King of Pentacles. Then, kung anong kinikita mo ngayon, then, yun lang. Kung hindi mo hahayaang mag-discover pa ng iba. See, the Justice is in the reverse. Sabi ko nga sa iyo, may mga kailangan baguhin. You have here unexpected income. Ayaw nyo ba? Iba sa inyo, kung merong sabihin nating yumao ng mga kamag-anakan nung mga nakaraan, may chance na may makukuhang I don't know, like benefits, parang ganon. May darating. Okay? So what's with this mature woman? Mature woman. The Ace of Cups in reversed. Meron ditong parang hindi na naman mag-asa talaga, no, na magkaroon ng love life. Why? Ano tong Ace of Cups? Somebody's closed off pagdating sa love. The High Priestess in reversed. Hindi lahat ng hindi lahat ng parang natunghayan mo, hindi lahat ng parang dinanas mo is iisa pagdating sa love, ha? You have to heal. You have to heal. Kasi iba sa inyo ang tingin mo, iisa lang. Pagdating sa love, ay, ayoko niyan. Baka mamaya ganito na naman. No. Mayroon kang kailangang i-heal kung gano'n ang mindset mo. Kaya hindi ka makakakuha, kaya hindi ka makakita ng someone for you. Real talk yon. Okay? You need na parang buksan yung sarili mo for new love. So, paano po? Heal. Okay? Iba dito, napakasabihin nating, wala na ako talagang pag-asa, wala na ako sa kalendaryo, edad ko wala na sa kalendaryo, papunta na sa, alam mo na, mga ganun bagay. Well, see, closed off. 9 of Wands. Sobrang guarded ka. Kaya hindi makapasok. There's this main male. Whether main female, main male. No gender. Okay? Kung ikaw ay hinahayaan mo yung sarili mong closed off pagdating sa love, then wala talaga. Mahihirapan talagang may pumasok na energy pagdating sa love. Okay, there's this blockage. Anong kailangan mong i-release? Meron kayong mga kailangang i-release. Depende sa'yo kung ano yun. Kung ano yung alam mo yun sa sarili mo. Meron daw kayong mga kailangang i-release. Mga kailangang matutunan. At maintindihan. See, meron kayong kailangang i-release. You're still holding back or maybe holding on to something. See, the Ace of Wands is here, universe. Maybe, hindi ka na ganun talaga na mamag-asa. May galit ka sa sarili, sa puso mo. Something like that. Okay? The Hanged Man. Ikaw mismo yung nagkukulong sa sarili mo. Okay? I'm hearing inspection. I don't know why. For the next 48 hours, I'm hearing inspection. Okay. What's with this main male? Main male, main female. What's with this? Wheel of Fortune. Okay, what's with that? Wheel of Fortune. The Ten of Swords in reversed. The King of Swords. So this is you, I think. Okay. Sinasabi rito, this is just like a gabay. This is just a gabay, you know. The Wheel of Fortune is here and the Ten of Swords. Universe wanting you talaga na sabi nating forgive sa isang tao, sa isang situation. Kailangan mo ring umusad talaga. May mga kailangan talagang i-heal. The Ten of Pentacles, your fave. Your favorite. No, hindi siya nawawala. This is like commitments. Sinasabi rito, Earth signs, na universe is at your side. Okay? Yun nga lang, syempre, didepende rin yan sa kung ano ang ginagawa mo. There, sabihin nating, tinitingnan ka, ginagabayan, parang ganon. Wheel of Fortune, sabihin nating fortune is at your side. Okay? Depende sa kung paano mo gagamitin yung fortune mo. Do you believe in fate? Minsan, yung fate, nababali. Depende sa kung paano ka kumilos. Depende sa kung paano ka, sabihin natin, maki-go with the flow sa kung anumang situation meron ka. Okay? May mga babaguhin ka, Earth signs. Kung hindi man ngayon, yes, see? Did you hear that? Ayun yung aking sign from universe. Kapag tama na yung binabanggit ko. So, Earth signs, may mga babaguhin ka in general para hindi ka na stuck sa kung anong frequency meron ka. Uusad at uusad, kailangan yun. Okay? So, some of you need to forget something, someone, mga ganyan. Forgive. Okay? So, there. Yun ang akin nakikita for you, Earth signs. No, all signs. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And follow our FB page. Thank you. Bye.